Today's featured car of the day is a 1968 Jaguar E-Type Coupe. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $52,000 but did not sell. And I would read the seller's statement, but unfortunately there wasn't one. And that might be part of the reason why it didn't sell. It seemed to be a real nice vehicle. It has a board there showing pictures of the restoration. And it had a good look. It was good color for it. Seemed to be a nice car, but just didn't make it. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1968 Jaguar XKE Coupe that bid to $52,000 but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.